Hi guys, today we're gonna learn these all.
No,
See?
the ABC muna, the ABC.
Okay. First, A, B, C,
D, E, F, D, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, the next one, this.
the colors.
Okay.
Red,
Green, blue, yellow, orange,
pink, brown, purple, violet, gray, white, black. Now it's time for the shapes.
Bro, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know this though.
Rectangle, oval, heart.
How about
Hi.
you do with your hands? I don't know this though.
Okay, Amara doesn't know the shape, so I will do it. Okay.
How about this?
Circle, square, cross, triangle, rectangle, oval, heart,
Hoy, Marco,
heart,
Hello,
circle,
Marcos, nababo
Ha?
naman.
diamond, star, arrow,
And sun.
parallelogram, sun, hexagon, moon. Okay,
done
it's
now.
time for the
I will
numbers.
do it. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, we are done, guys.
Okay.
Try it yourself. If you can do it, press the subscribe button.
Okay, bye-bye. I'm